Here's your ultimate grocery list. Starting keto but don't know what to buy? I've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the ketogenic diet. No confusion, no overwhelm. Just straightforward guidance to make your keto journey a success. In this video, you'll get a simple, complete grocery list for keto that's perfect for beginners, especially those of us over 40, so you can confidently shop and start your keto journey today. If you're new to keto, hit that subscribe button for more tips. All right, before we hit the grocery store, let's break down the Keto Basics. Understanding these fundamentals will make your shopping experience smoother and more effective. The ketogenic diet is all about lowering your carbohydrate intake drastically and replacing it with healthy fats. This means focusing on foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils that are rich in good fats. This shifts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where you start burning fat for fuel instead of glucose from carbs. Ketosis can lead to significant weight loss and improved energy levels. Now, why is having the right food so essential? The quality of the food you consume directly impacts how well your body can maintain ketosis and how you feel overall. Well, think of your body as a high-performance machine. Just like a sports car, it requires the best fuel to perform optimally. You wouldn't put regular gas in a Ferrari, right? It needs premium fuel to run at its best. You'd give it the premium fuel it needs to run at its best. Similarly, your body needs high-quality, keto-friendly foods to function at its peak. The same goes for your body on keto. The foods you choose are your fuel, and they play a crucial role in how you feel and perform daily. The foods you choose are your fuel, and to unlock the full potential of this diet, think increased energy, mental clarity, and fat burning, you need to stock up on the right stuff. This means being mindful of your choices and opting for nutrient-dense, keto-friendly options. In the next section, I'm going to walk you through each category of foods you'll want on your keto grocery list so you can feel confident and prepared every time you shop. From healthy fats to low-carb vegetables, we'll cover it all to ensure you're set up for success. Let's head straight to the grocery store. Virtually, of course. This is where the magic begins, and where you set yourself up for success on your keto journey. First up, healthy fats. These are the cornerstone of your keto diet. They provide the energy your body needs to stay in ketosis. Look for avocados. They're like nature's butter, packed with healthy fats and nutrients. They're versatile and can be used in salads, smoothies, or just eaten on their own. Grab some olive oil, coconut oil, and don't forget the butter and ghee. These oils are perfect for cooking, baking, and even drizzling over your favorite dishes. Next, protein, the building blocks of your body. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. We're talking grass-fed meats, free-range poultry, and wild-caught fish whenever possible. These options are not only healthier, but also more sustainable. Eggs are your best friend too, versatile and packed with nutrients. They can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or used in a variety of keto recipes. Now, for those low-carb veggies. They are crucial for providing fiber and essential vitamins. Load up on spinach, broccoli, cauliflower. Make them your staples. These veggies are low in carbs, but high in nutrients. Zucchini and bell peppers are great too. They add color and variety to your meals, making your diet more enjoyable. Remember, we're aiming for low carb, not no carb. Vegetables are an important part of a balanced keto diet. Dairy can be a bit tricky on keto. Some people tolerate it well, while others may need to limit their intake. If you tolerate it well, go for full-fat cheese, cream, and unsweetened full-fat yogurt. These can be used in cooking or as snacks. We all need a little something to keep us going between meals. Snacks can help you stay on track and avoid cravings. Pork rinds are a keto classic, crunchy and satisfying. They can be eaten on their own or used as a breadcrumb substitute. Olives, nuts. Think almonds, walnuts, macadamias are great options. They provide healthy fats and are easy to carry with you. And of course, there are plenty of keto-friendly snacks available these days. From bars to chips, the options are endless. Just be sure to check the labels for hidden sugars. Many products may seem keto-friendly, but contain hidden carbs. Don't underestimate the power of flavor. Condiments can make or break a meal. Mustards are good to go, and you can find sugar-free mayo too. These add flavor without adding carbs. Stock up on herbs, spices, and keto-friendly sauces to add a punch to your meals. They can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. Keto on a budget. Shopping smart, saving money. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Keto sounds expensive. But listen, it doesn't have to be. Here are some budget-friendly tips. First, buy in bulk whenever possible, especially for meats and fats. You can often find better deals on larger quantities, and you can always freeze what you don't use right away. Speaking of freezing, frozen veggies and meat are your best friends. They last longer, so you waste less, and they're often more affordable than fresh. Plus, no more last-minute grocery runs because your produce went bad. Another tip, be wary of prepackaged keto products. They can be tempting, but they're often marked up just because they have that keto label. Stick to whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible, and you'll save a ton of money. Keto pitfalls and common mistakes to avoid. All right, let's discuss some common keto mistakes that can hinder your progress, because it's important to be prepared, right? First, let's address hidden sugars. These are sneaky little devils that lurk in processed foods, sauces, and even some condiments. They can easily add up and kick you out of ketosis. Always read the label and make sure there are no added sugars. Next, misleading labels. Just because something says low carb doesn't automatically make it keto friendly. Many products labeled as low carb can still have hidden carbs. Pay attention to the total carbohydrate count, not just the sugar content. This will help you stay within your daily carb limit. Another mistake I see often is overbuying, especially when you're just starting out. It's tempting to stock up on every keto product you see. It's easy to get excited and want to try all the keto things, but start small. Focus on quality over quantity. Stick to the basics and gradually incorporate new foods as you get the hang of it. Fresh, whole foods are your best bet. Remember, keto is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are key. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, not about depriving yourself or breaking the bank. Enjoy the journey and make it a part of your life. Your keto journey starts now. So this is it, your ultimate guide to keto grocery shopping. Remember, stick to the basics, keep it simple, and focus on whole foods for the best results. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite keto-friendly foods? Share them in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. And if you're ready to take your keto journey to the next level, be sure to watch my next video, where I'll be sharing even more tips and science-based strategies to help you become a healthier, happier you. Eat well, live well.